Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the best in beauty, one product at a time. If you've been hunting for the perfect mascara that combines both volume and nourishment, today's review is definitely for you. We're taking a closer look at the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Mascara, a product that promises to deliver bold lashes with a nourishing twist. So is this mascara truly the magic wand for fuller, healthier lashes? Let's break it down and find out. First things first, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Mascara is designed to volumize and lengthen lashes with a single swipe. Thanks to its keratin-infused formula, it not only builds volume, but strengthens lashes over time. The mascara's rich bronze shade offers a more natural, subtle lash look, perfect for those who prefer a soft yet high-impact appearance. What makes this mascara stand out is its luxurious blend of Murumuru Butter, Cupuaçu Butter, and Tucuma Butter, all sourced from the nutrient-rich Amazon. These ingredients are packed with essential fatty acids and provitamins, making them ideal for moisturizing and conditioning the lashes. If you're like me and you want your beauty products to work double duty, this mascara promises to keep lashes soft, nourished, and healthier as it enhances your look. Let's talk about real-world usage. When I first tried this mascara, I immediately noticed how easy it was to apply. The formula is smooth and not clumpy, which is a huge win for me. You can layer it on for a more dramatic effect, or keep it subtle for a more natural look. The rich bronze shade adds a bit of warmth to your lashes, which is perfect for day-to-day wear, especially if you're not into the harshness of black mascaras. It's a subtle but noticeable change that just makes your eyes pop without looking overdone. As far as texture and feel, this mascara glides on smoothly without flaking throughout the day. It doesn't irritate the eyes, which is a huge bonus for those with sensitive eyes like me. The addition of keratin in the formula also gives a sense that your lashes are actually getting healthier, not just coated. However, there are a couple of points worth noting. If you're looking for a dramatic volume boost, this formula may not be as intense as some other mascaras on the market. It's more about giving you natural volume with the added bonus of lash nourishment. So if you love the bold lash look, you may need to build up multiple coats. But for those seeking a more refined, everyday lash enhancement, this mascara is a perfect match. Now let's talk about value. At its price point, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Mascara feels like a good investment. You're getting a nourishing formula that also delivers decent volume, and the high-quality ingredients justify the price. It's not a drugstore steal, but the added benefits of lash care make it worth the cost if you're looking for both beauty and nourishment in one product. Is there anything better out there? Well, if you're looking for something more volumizing, there are definitely other options. However, if you're after a mascara that also takes care of your lashes while enhancing their appearance, this one stands out for its unique formulation and natural look. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy and sleek, with a nice weight to it, giving it a bit of a luxurious feel for a drugstore product. And as for longevity, the formula holds up throughout the day without smudging or flaking, which is a huge plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't personally need to reach out to Physicians Formula, but they are known for their reliable customer service and responsive team, which adds to the brand's reputation for quality and care. There have been no updates to this product as of now, so you can be confident that what you're getting is the same great formula that has made this mascara popular among beauty enthusiasts. If you're looking for something on a budget, but still offering similar results, you might want to check out the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, which also provides volume and length at a lower price point. It doesn't have the same nourishing ingredients, but if you're mainly after volume, it's a solid option. To wrap it all up, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Mascara offers a unique combination of beauty and care. It volumizes, lengthens, and nourishes your lashes with every coat, making it a great choice for those who want to give their lashes some extra love. While it may not deliver the most dramatic volume compared to others on the market, its nourishing ingredients make it worth trying, especially if you're after a more natural, everyday lash look. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.